The MP extension identifies a Maya Personal Learning Edition project file containing 3D scene data from the educational version of Autodesk Maya. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these 3D animation project files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional MP file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. MP files are project files from Maya Personal Learning Edition, PLE, a free educational version of Autodesk Maya for learning 3D animation and modeling. They contain scene data with 3D models, animations, materials, and rendering configurations, watermarked for non-commercial use. Maya PLE MP files use a modified version of Maya's scene format with embedded watermark flags preventing commercial rendering output. They contain the same scene graph data as standard Maya files, including meshes, NURBS surfaces, skeletal rigs, and animation keyframes. The best utility for reliable viewing of MP is known to be Autodesk Maya PLE by Autodesk Inc. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows is limited to basic file details, so full examination requires engineering-focused CAD software. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the MP file and choose Open With. Prioritize Autodesk Maya PLE if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If the MP file won't budge, stay calm. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the MP problem. First, opening the file. Maya PLE files can be opened in the PLE version of Maya. Full commercial. Maya versions may not directly open PLE formatted files. If you have a Maya license, try opening and accepting any format conversion prompts. Maya Student Edition files use standard MMB formats instead. Next, converting to standard format. If you can open the MP file in Maya use file, then export all to save as FBX OBJ or standard MB Maya binary format. The exported geometry and animation data transfers without PLE watermark restrictions, enabling use in production workflows. Finally, migrating to current Maya. Autodesk now offers free Maya student licenses that create standard MMB files without PLE restrictions. Upgrade from PLE to the free student version for full Maya functionality. Recreate PLE projects in the student version for unrestricted 3D content creation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.